In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Einstein in Salesforce with a step-by-step setup guide. Unlocking the power of Salesforce's AI capabilities can propel your business insights and decision-making processes, and we'll walk you through how to do just that. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. It's the starting point of our journey today. Once you're logged in, head over to the Setup area. You can easily find this by navigating to the top right corner of your dashboard and clicking on the gear icon. This area is where you'll manage and configure your Salesforce environment. Once you're in the Setup menu, you'll notice a search bar, the Quick Find box. You'll want to type in Einstein Setup here. This feature is designed specifically to help you locate configurations quickly and efficiently, saving you from scrolling through endless menus. Once you see Einstein Setup in the list, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the dedicated page for managing your Einstein features. Now the next step is pivotal. On the Einstein Setup page, you should see an option labeled Turn on Einstein. This is typically a toggle switch. Right now, it might be turned off, so simply click it to turn it on. By enabling this option, you are activating the robust suite of AI features that Salesforce Einstein offers. These features provide predictive analytics, sales forecasting, and data insights that can enhance your business strategies. As you complete these steps, it's really important to ensure that your Salesforce edition supports Einstein capabilities and that your user has the necessary permissions. These features are usually available in the more advanced editions like Salesforce Enterprise and above. So if you encounter any issues while enabling Einstein, this might be the area to check. And that's it. With just these few steps, you've enabled Einstein in Salesforce. You've now unlocked a tool that can provide valuable insights and help drive your business's success. Salesforce Einstein is a powerful tool that leverages artificial intelligence to help you work smarter, not harder. This should allow you to harness the predictive capabilities and innovative analytics that come with it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out other tutorials for more ways to optimize your Salesforce experience. With Einstein now enabled, you're ready to explore its vast possibilities and transform the way your business interacts with data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.